Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to use mouse position in our Unity games. Let me show you one example how we can get a mouse position to make a character follow to the mouse around in the game. So I already created one folder with sprites and put this target sprite, so when we start our game this sprite will follow the mouse. Let's create one folder and call it scripts. And create one C# script and call it mouse pointer. So this is our mouse pointer script, and inside this script we don't need this method, start method. We need only update method because the mouse position will be updated frame by frame. In this method, update method, we create one vector 3 and call it position and hold mouse position input inside this vector 3. And we put z into plan 0 and convert it, and after that we transform our game object, the game object that this script is attached. Let's save it and check. But before we use it, we need to put sprite inside our hierarchy. And put our script that we already created inside this game object. Now we see our script as a component inside this game object. Let's make it a bit smaller. And when we start our game, we see that the game object follow our mouse. But we see that the pointer is still there. Our mouse default pointer is still there. So in order to hide it, we need to add some code. But we can use scripting reference by Unity to search how to hide this, our default cursor. Let's go to scripting reference. Let's write cursor here. Let's choose the first one, cursor API, for setting the cursor mouse pointer. We see some properties and method. For us, we need to make it invisible. Determines whether the hardware pointer is visible or not. Just click this. And here we see that it is in Boolean data type, and we can see here examples, and for us we just need this. Let's copy it and put inside our script. But in order to make it invisible, we need to make it inside the start method. When our script starts executing, it immediately make the pointer invisible. Let's save it and let's check. And now we don't see our cursor, default cursor, and only see our game object that follow our mouse. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and in the next tutorial we will learn how we can respond to mouse button input from the player.